Chia just got some pre-runner gold bangers right now, Trent and Amy. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Amy, how was that ride? She gives a thumbs up. Where is she? You were on top of those whoops, buddy.
I was still the wood.
Yeah.
That's it.
Stoked. All right, let's see what else we can do, guys.
You're filming out the window.
Yeah, we need someone filming us. Wait, you what?
I towed a trailer here with that thing. It's okay, it'll be fine. No problem, dude.
All right, dude. Seems nice and cozy.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Try to keep it somewhat stocked.
Door shuts so good, by the way. So more friends showed up. Ryan's here. Eric's here. I think we might stay here for another couple minutes. Let's go. That's one way to make an entrance. You tell me. Hand gestures. The signal of not having when you don't have a radio in the chase truck.
Yeah.
Which is not a chase truck, because any chase truck would have a radio.
All right, this is Bill, and this is his car.
Nice.
What's your 2025 resolution?
To keep this thing running all season. It's the first time out for the season for me, so it's had a bunch of work done to it to make sure that it was going to hopefully survive the season, and we'll see.
How did you do on that first jump you did?
It did okay.
Yeah.
It did what it always does. I mean, this truck is it's not the prettiest one out there, but it's probably the smoothest riding next to Paul's. But it eats, it does its job, gets us to point A to point B, and it's the family truckster.
This is wife's car.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
When did you break your truck?
Oh, at the last Terra crew event here.
Around the property?
James.
No.
He said I'll kick your ass. He knows exactly what happened.
That was so
Oh my
cute.
god.
I have so many videos of me just filming James.
Hey, you landed on the nub right there.
How was it?
Too far right. It's really good to be back out here.
It is, huh?
It's been a long time. It's been a long time, and it's cool to see like all these dudes becoming friends, and like it's what it's all about, you know?
Yeah.
He's getting in my truck and I'll put my own.
Yeah, let's go! He's like, dude, I'm a Nissan brother. He has to keep me pumped for the Nissan homies.
The Nissan crew.
All 12 of us worldwide.
It's so different when you're in it.
Yeah, it's been a minute. It was funny. He's like, yeah, it's kind of different when somebody else is driving, you know? He's like, yeah, I don't ride with anybody. I'm like, neither do I, man. I never ever ride with anybody, but like I said, from one Nissan bro to another, I had to.
Did like a little tear come down?
The proudness, dude.
Yeah.
It's good to see us. There's
Nissan.
few of us, but you know, we're stoked, you know?
Nissan brothers.
Pretty cool.
so good, especially with that golden hour in the background.
Yeah,
it was
perfect time to
amazing.
hit.
Yeah.
Yeah.